Do you feel guilty every time you hand your kids a screen? Do you want fun activities that boost creativity, imagination, emotional intelligence, and brain power, but you just don't know where to find them? Well, you found them. Welcome to Page Turner's Adventure Library, an online portal for kids and their grown-ups filled with stories. Sloth was big. Moth was small. Sloth was slow. Moth was fast. Their differences made no difference to them. We have crafts. Today we are going to be making pop-up chicken books. I call it the plot chickens. Watch what happens when I open the book. Woo! No bake recipes. Mini adventure shows.
No one can tell a story on the last word!
Not even you, Page Turner!
We have to find the treasure to break the curse.
The Juggler's Code!
The Juggler's Code!
Ebooks, downloadable puppet kits, readers' theater scripts, virtual field trips, songs,
1,000,000 likes from friends I don't even know. Imagine!
games, and more. Featuring storyologist Page Turner, her magical Once Upon a Time machine, and a cast of comic characters. Kids are immersed in a world of creativity and adventure, and you have instant access to dozens of safe, age-appropriate activities at your fingertips. Go to PageTurnerAdventures.com to find out more.
What?